How is it going? My name is Evan and welcome to my channel. And this is going to be a video on Facebook ads for gyms and personal trainers and a bit about myself and why I'm qualified to be teaching you Facebook ads today. I run a digital marketing agency in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And I've been in the digital marketing space now for about 4 years, been doing social media work for clients and various other brands for over 4 years right now. And I actually was hired for one of the big corporate companies in Canada. I did some social media work for a various number of radio stations as well. Mostly through organic. And then after I quit my corporate job, I went into paid advertising, and I've been able to learn these skills over the last year, especially for Facebook ads and paid advertising, and spending thousands of dollars of my own money to learn these skills myself. And then after doing some freelance work and being completely overwhelmed, I started my own business back in August and hired some people to be a part of my team, and they are truly amazing at running Facebook ads for gyms and personal trainers. I also did some advertising for gyms and personal trainers at the beginning of this year with some great success as well, and I want to talk about a bit of that in this video. So if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus at the end of this, and you're probably going to want to hear and stay here and listen for that. But this whole video is going to be a bunch of free information, so I would highly recommend that you watch the full content of this video, mostly so you can get the bonus, but especially because it's a whole bunch of free information, and you definitely need to watch this video before handing any money over to Mark Zuckerberg. So let's get started with Facebook ads for gyms and personal trainers, and I'm going to escape for this one so that we can watch this presentation. 3 reasons why you should be using Facebook ads for your gym and personal trainer business. Number 1 is reach and exposure. There's over 1.5 billion daily active users on Facebook currently, and this doesn't include Instagram. In 2017, there was, I believe, just over 500 million daily active users on Instagram. It's 2018 and it's the end of 2018, so I'm sure that number has actually gone up because Instagram is probably the most popular mobile app that my social connection uses, and it's my favorite way to advertise as well for businesses that are targeting people that are under the age of 40. Usually Facebook, advertising just solely through Facebook. You can mix it with ages because everyone's kind of on Facebook, but I try to stay above the demographics of 25 plus if I'm advertising on Facebook, but we'll get into that in a little bit. No platform compares to Facebook. There really isn't, with the amount of data that it collects and the amount of people that are on it every single day, maybe other than Google, but they're mostly asking Google a question. No one's actually actively like on that platform to be social and interact with their friends and family. With a Facebook ad, you can reach over 200 plus people with only $5 per day in paid advertising. That's not boosting. That's just targeted through the Facebook ads. Don't ever boost your Facebook. Don't ever boost your Facebook ads. That's a huge mistake. So don't do that. We have various forms of targeting campaigns and various forms of way that we do campaigns where $5 per day and you're reaching 200 plus people. There's no form of there's like, you can't get that with radio. You can't get that with television. I worked in radio. I know how much brands were paying to be on the radio, which is absolutely insane because there might be on average like 15 to 30 people listening within a 15-minute period. But other than that, though, it's just so expensive to be able to advertise on it. So there's also more freedom compared to Google as well. And what I mean by that is the range of targets that you're able to attract with it, while Google is mostly just a search engine and people just ask it questions. And especially for gyms and fitness, it's probably pretty clogged with a whole bunch of people that are tracking different keywords and stuff like that. And it's much more expensive to get in front of these people, especially if you're a gym and fitness, because so many people are already doing Google AdWords. So it's much more expensive in order to draw a client in. And then there's also thousands of ways to get lead with Facebook, organically, paid advertisements, and there's just thousands of ways through copyright, content, giveaways, promotions, the offers. There's so many different ways to get leads with Facebook. So let's delve in and talk about a few of them. But first, let's get into data. A Facebook pixel and organizing your lists. So if you don't already have a Facebook pixel on your website, I highly recommend that you get a Facebook pixel installed ASAP. After this video, of course, but get it installed as soon as possible so that you can start tracking people who come to your website or your landing page. You want to be able to retarget them. And I'm going to talk a bit about retargeting after, but this is the first thing that you need to have on your website as a gym or a personal trainer, is just a pixel. So you can start tracking people who come to your website. So you, that includes a landing page. So I mixed into that. So pixel tracking, and then through a landing page where you bring people onto a website. My favorite landing page is actually ClickFunnels. That I use, and that's what I recommend to all my clients to use. And I prefer that they use ClickFunnels as their landing page. Like, you can have a regular website through WordPress or whatnot, but you always want to bring people in with your offers and with your Facebook ads to a specific landing page, so that you know who's gone on the landing page, and then who filled out the information for your offer, and then went to the thank you page, so that you can divide those two people into two separate groups for retargeting ads, which I'll touch on in a little bit. Also, collecting emails. So organize your lists for collecting emails, and then you can then divvy that up into people that, like I just mentioned, went on the landing page and then went on to the thank you page. But with emails, collecting them for the PDF, for if you're giving away like a free like fitness guide or something like that, collecting emails is a great way to do that, and you do that through a landing page. And then Facebook's AI does the work for you. Once you collect those emails, they track the information of who's gone on the website, who's been on your landing page, and you're able to make an advertisement with those targets selected, or even a lookalike audience, which we will get into. So retargeting and lookalike. Retarget ads, why Facebook ads are so powerful. So once you have that pixel and you have once you have that pixel in your email list, then you want to use that data for targeting, and then you make a lookalike audience of that data on there as well. That's my favorite way to advertise, because you're not advertising to people that have already gone onto your page. For example, you can target people who have visited your landing page or have gone onto your thank you page. You can target them specifically, which I do recommend, but just in the beginning stages, that lookalike audience right at the beginning, which are people that haven't been onto your website, but Facebook's artificial intelligence knows exactly who these people are just through that email address, and just through having Facebook on, just having a Facebook profile, which is kind of creepy, but that's just the world that we live in, and it's best to take advantage of it while it's still kind of like this. It's still kind of new. So you can divide those groups into warm and hot leads. So warm, be it people that just came onto your landing page for a free offer, but didn't confirm anything, and then you just follow up with them. There's your warm list. And then those hot leads are the ones that who claimed your offer and went to your thank you page. And those are your hot leads. You already have them. They've already purchased something, or they've already given up some personal information in order. No, there's personal details in order to get some information. So they're already hot. They've already pulled the trigger, and then following up is the most important part. So then you do retargeting ads to follow up with those warm and hot leads, with those lookalike audiences. You do a follow up, like they're so cheap to convert because they're already warm and hot. So they're super cheap to convert after you go through this whole process. So That's why Facebook ads are so powerful, because you're able to split test and see which ads are the best, and then just target those lookalike audiences and then divide them into warm and hot leads, and then just having retargeting ads go out to them to claim whatever offers or extras or upsells that you want to deliver to them. So where to go from here? That was a lot of information. So let's wrap this up. Conclusion: understand and utilize these 3 items before using Facebook ads today. Set up your damn Facebook pixel. Please set up your Facebook pixel. After this video, please do that. There's a ton of resources on YouTube to how to install your Facebook pixel through your business page on Facebook. So should only take about 10 minutes, if that. Then organize your email list, super important, into buyers and whatever types of specific programs. Like, say if someone is in your gym and they've already bought a year's worth of like personal training or a year's membership, divide those people into lists. So have them have their email address just specifically in that year-long membership group, and then have someone that comes into personal training, which is a step above the membership, have that into a personal group, have their email into another list, so that you can start collecting and growing that list, and then you just put it into Facebook, and then the Facebook artificial intelligence will just do the work for you in attracting new clients. And think about your offer. So think about why these people want to click. And go through to your landing page, or why did they want to go to your gym specifically. So those are the 3 things that you should set up before using Facebook ads today. And now that you've stick through to the end of this video, if you would like to work with us at Block E Media Incorporated, if you found the information in this video valuable, I would love to check out your business, love to check out your gym and personal training website if you want to get a free audit. Definitely shoot a 15-minute discovery call. I'll put the link in the description, as well as the link in the comment section, so that we can see that if your business is going to be a good fit for us, and see if we can help you out as well, or if you just need some additional pointers or to be pointed into the right direction as well. And once again, my name is Evan, and if you found this video super valuable, please hit the like button, comment as well on any sort of ads that you want to work on, or any type of specific things that you want to hear about with the gym and fitness niche. And also, if you would like to see more of this content, I upload every week, so please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from myself. And let me just get back into here. There we are. And if you want to see more from myself as well, please hit that subscribe button as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And once again, you guys can check out the discovery call. It's going to be down in the description, and you can book that as soon as possible, and we can check out your business too. So once again, my name is Evan, and thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope that it was insanely valuable for yourself.